Well, I was trying to take a picture to show you how the barrel channel is now, but the scope's in the way. That and some shadowing. I don't know why you have this giant thing on here. It's this little gap here. It's the same on both sides, but there's a shadow over here, so it looks like there's a giant gap. Looks like it's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy now, though. I put the scope back on. I may try to level it a little more later. And I still haven't got to go out and have a look with it, but there you have it. Pretty cool.